Rayhan, can you read a little bit of Charlotte's Web for me?
It's before breakfast.
Can you read the chapter 1 before breakfast?
Yes.
Please, okay.
Where's Papa going with the axe? And they were saying I did for breakfast. Under the hog house before Mr. Apple. Some kids were more restless. I don't see why you need an extra was only 8.
Do you like to read Charlotte's Web?
Yes. That's too short.
But what is your favorite book? Your favorite book, Nate the Great, though?
Yeah, my favorite book is Magic Tree House.
You like the Magic Tree House also?
Yes.
Can you look at me?
I like Charlotte's Web and Harry Potter.
And what else do you like?
I like on time.
Do you like geography?
Yes, and presidents.
And are you a homeschooler or do you go to school?
Homeschool.
You're a homeschooler. What grade are you doing? What grade are you doing in math?
7.
No, you're doing first grade. Rayhan?
First.
Yes. What grade?
No,